Fusion Strike pack that we got from a tournament on Tuesday. We got 2 packs. I think we went like 2-1 or something. Hopefully we can get something nice. Go check out my other opening. We pulled this Ghost Rare. Just a little Pokemon intermission for some Yu-Gi-Oh openings. But this is one of the coolest looking cards ever. Let's get into this Fusion Strike pack. Also, 1K celebrating with this Shining Fates booster box. And another Brilliant Stars booster box. Stay tuned. Let's just skip. No time to waste. And we got a Electrode.